Hello, welcome to Travel World Online. First, the headlines. ICHG contracts Radius developers to rebrand Eaton Smart as Holiday Inn Express. Deepak Raj Joshi appointed CEO at NTB. Amritsar Airport gets free Wi-Fi. Now, the news in detail. Intercontinental Hotels Group has signed a management agreement with Radius developers to rebrand the corporate image. An existing 93-room hotel in Terminal 3 of India's Indira Gandhi International Airport. Currently operating as Eaton Smart was India's first hotel to open in the transit area of an airport terminal. The rebranding of this hotel to Holiday Inn Express at New Delhi International Airport, Terminal 3, will mark the entry of the brand in New Delhi. Shanta De Silva, head of Southwest Asia IHG, said, "We always look for the right partner to grow our brands with and are delighted to be working with Radius developers to launch a Holiday Inn Express brand at a great location in New Delhi. We see a real opportunity to draw transit guests into our hotel with our Holiday Inn Express brand offering and look forward to delivering great guest experiences to even more people when the expansion of the new terminal is complete." Ujjwal Desai, director Radius Developers, said, "As the hotel is located in the heart of India's busiest aviation hub, it is important for us to have the right brand offering transit guests exactly what they need, a fuss-free convenient stay and great night's sleep before they take off for the next day." ICHG has had great success with Holiday Inn Express, which is now one of the fastest growing hotel brands in the world. And we look forward to working with them to draw more guests through our doors when the hotel opens next year. The hotel will have a range of food and beverage options available to them at both the domestic and international terminal. The hotel will also feature the brand's signature room where guests can dine and interact with each other during their stay, and a spa to relax in their downtime. Providing guests with everything they need, the hotel will offer a convenient stay which includes free and fast Wi-Fi available in guest rooms and throughout the hotel, so they stay connected all day. The Nepal Tourism Board appointed Deepak Raj Joshi as new CEO. The NTB has been stumbling along without a head since October 31st, 2011, when the then CEO Prachanda Mansreshta's tenure expired. The board started the process to search for a new CEO in November 2011 when the NTB board had shortlisted 12 applicants. However, the board suffered several setbacks in its efforts to appoint a new boss. In the last 4 years, more than a dozen writs had been filed in courts either to halt or postpone the appointment process. Finally, NTB now has a new CEO and its major breakthrough, said Tourism Ministry Secretary Dinesh Kumar Thapalia. The country's tourism promotional body, which had remained defunctioned for many years in the absence of a chief, will be activated to perform as per its goal. Within 15 days, we will approve the full budget and start an aggressive tourism marketing in major source markets, said Secretary Thapalia, who also chairs the NTB board. Joshi, who has been serving NTB since 2000, has his task cut out. He is taking NTB's charge at a time when the country's tourism sector is facing multiple crises. First, the April 25th earthquake, and now India's trade embargo. Nepal's tourism industry is battling for survival, with tourism numbers free-falling, less than 20% hotel occupancy, and international carriers cutting frequencies. Sri Ramdas International Airport gets free Wi-Fi facility. Both domestic and international passengers may utilize this service. Amritsar DC Ravi Bhagat inaugurated the facility with cooperation of Airport Director V. Venkateshwara Rao. This facility is provided by an Indo-Italian company named Connection. Thank you. Myself, Neeraja Divate. For more updates, keep watching Travel World Online.